Every king needs a castle. Would you like to have a castle? I critique properties. I tell you 3 things I like about it, 3 things I don't like about it in a short 3-minute video so you can binge watch them after each other. And in today's episode, we're gonna review an Italian marvelous property, 25305 Prado della Felicidad, 7-bedroom, 10-bath, 15,745 square foot, listed for $23,745,000, and they've recently raised the price. Like, that's a great time to do so. And it sits on over an acre of flat land. Now, before I tell you 3 things I like about this property, you should know that the content of this video is purely for educational entertainment purposes. I don't guarantee the accuracy of information. You should contact the listing agent right here if you have more questions. Okay, 3 things I love about this property. The third thing I love about this property is lot utilization. What do I mean by that? Look at the frontage. Look at the side yard. The side yard is bigger than my backyard. It's humongous. And the backyard is just a different story. I mean, you can park 50 RVs if you're that type of a person, but it's just humongous. It's huge. It sits so comfortably on the lot. Like, that's the perfection. That's when you know you're in the ultra high end, and it's absolutely gorgeous. It's, 10 out of 10. The second thing I love the most about this property is the location. Second gate, the Oaks, amazing. I mean, I'm not going to elaborate on that. You've seen my other videos. It's one of the best places in the valley to purchase a property. Okay, the number one thing I love about this property, that it looks like it's a villa or a castle from 𝐁𝐮𝐲𝐢𝐧𝐠 in Germany or somewhere in Italy. It was imported perfectly fine and preserved into Calabasas. It's actually Italianate Tour de France in style, and the interior was apparently done by 𝐒𝐿𝐴NGELO after he finished the Sistine Chapel. It's just got, crossing vault ceiling. Main floor has libraries, guest suites. You got 28-foot ceiling, custom marble walls, breakfast rotunda, floor to ceiling windows that I absolutely love. They're gorgeous. A chef's kitchen, European finest appointment, stonework, banquet size formal dining room. It's extraordinary crown molding, custom carving, travertine fireplace. I mean, they just brought it, right? It's just done. It's authentic. It's beautifully done. The exterior matches the interior. It's just done to perfection. Okay, now before I tell you 3 things I don't like about this property, if you want to see me fight a 400-pound sumo wrestler, you might want to check out my Instagram channel. Okay, 3 things I don't like about this property. It's north facing. There's not much you can do about it, and north facing properties just suck. Now, this has really good lot utilization, meaning you're gonna get light from other sides of the house in because your neighbors are not blocking you. So it's mitigated. But again, in the afternoon, in the main formal living or living area, you're not gonna get as much sun as a south facing property. The second thing I don't like about this property is that, again, they've put the stairway as soon as you walk in, and it's just not even that majestic, a stairway. And it just, for me, it kills it. Like, I don't know what's with people in 15th, 16th century where they've had an obsession, a sexual fetish with staircases. I mean, it's nice, I can appreciate it, but at the corner of my eye, I don't want to see it front and face, like, it's just such a flex that it's not even pretty. It's like buying a Lamborghini for a flex. Okay, the number one thing I don't like about this property is I don't care if Anna Maria Lucia de Medici herself has personally farted in this house. This style is not in. It's too gaudy. People don't desire this. And if you like it, God bless you. Enjoy it. Just make sure you get a discount for it because the buyer pool is really small. Do you know why? Because that ship has sailed back to Europe, Alfred. It's gone. If you like this video, you will like one of these. Hit the subscribe button if you like this channel. See you in the next one, and get out of here.